Okay guys, a few years ago I did a firecracker comparison of some of the best firecrackers that were available at that time, and I thought we'd revisit it now. There are some other firecrackers available now, so try to get this in focus. We're going to do a variety of different sizes and sounds here. We're going to try to go in order from, I won't say quietest, but least loud to the loudest, and see how these go. So let's try this one first. From this close, that's loud. Next up, we got this red one. Huh? We had another one in here, but it is gone. Those are some good new ball ones. Okay, well, here's a nice one. This red one. I'll tell you right now, that little round one was damn near as loud, if not louder, than that red one, and that's shocking because them red ones hit hard. Try to focus it a little bit better. You can see the wood. Yeah. All right, let's try one of these ones here. Crazy Go 8. Very nice. Keep the names off there. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. This should make a major board. I'm gonna get back. Don't want to be anywhere near that one. Yep. Welcome to Boomtown. And you can see we got a nice punch in the board from that one. We're gonna try to keep the name off here. Do this one. This should put an even bigger mark on there. Get way back from that one. And that one leaves us with pretty much a through hole. That is through. And last one here, I'm going to move this up and do it kind of in the middle because that's going to get the whole end of that board off probably. This one we definitely want to get clear when it's ready to go off because it's going to make a mess. Yeah, so that's a pretty big hole, probably about 3-4 inches by 3 or 4 inches. Nice power. Gotta be very careful with this. Do not light any of these in your hand. They gotta be laying on the ground when you light them. Do not light and throw them. Sometimes you get black powder on the fuse, and that thing will go off as soon as you touch flame to fuse.